Ready yourselves for this.
Open your eyes then.
Go on then. There, open them. Look, there you go, Fred. Now you can enjoy them.
And a bit of this.
Go on, Tom! Go on, Tom! Yeah!
As French Week comes to a close, we're saying a big au revoir to Anton Dubek.
Just over there, isn't he? He doesn't look too happy, but stay tuned for all the behind-the-scenes access with us on Extra Helpings.
We'll be catching up with Anton later on in the show. Guys, we are halfway through the competition. Things are proper heating up in the kitchen. Who are the trailblazers?
Maura's doing really well.
Maura?
Very well, actually.
Do you know Maura doesn't like comedians?
Yeah, Maura. It's exclusive.
Yeah. And guess when she told us that?
When?
When she was sat with Joe and Tom.
She said, I hate comedians. I hate them, they're not funny.
What did you say?
I was like, oh.
Right, so it's French Week. Okay, so we've got some lovely glasses of wine. Unfortunately, we're not drinking them.
We never have fun with you two.
Ouch. Oh, my gosh.
You don't let us drink.
Yeah.
You can't drink. All you give us is toilet roll.
You get poppadoms. You get poppadoms. This challenge is called the Tug of Wine.
Oh. See what we've done there?
Now, the aim of the game is to get your wine over the line. First person to get over the line
Can I make
wins.
a suggestion?
Yes.
Can we do it from behind the counter?
Are you worried about your suit?
Well, I don't want to be gauche about it, but it's a new one.
Are we ready? And 3, 2, 1, go!
There we go, go slow.
Oh, wow.
There we go, Tom, there we go.
Tom, do you want to get moving, mate?
Get moving, just slowly, Tom, that's it. Tom, I can't stress you. I can't stress you, Tom. Oh my God, Emma. Oh, Emma, there's a breakage! There's a breakage! She's got breaks. Quick, Tom, you can do this. You just, go for it, Tom, go for it. Come on, Tom, you've got this, mate.
Emma, we need to be driving before we go.
Sit down!
Tom, you can get it, Tom! Go on, Tom! Go on, Tom!
No way. I'm going to get that anywhere near this.
Are you still worried about your suit?
If you'd done it with white wine, this would have been a very different game.
Back here. Yes.
So off about them two, aren't they? I don't know what it is, I just...
Who are you talking about?
What, that Woody and...
Woody and Clyde.
Woody and Clyde.
Woody and Clyde.
Woody and Clyde? I wouldn't say they're ruining it, but... I think they're ruining it, actually, yeah. They bring weird energy. I don't know what they're wearing, but I'm hoping it's flammable.
Woody, Clyde, Joe Wilkinson's talking smack about you two.
Who?
Is what?
Joe Wilkinson is talking smack about you two.
Oh, do you back, Slowwoods?
Where is he?
He said he wishes that your clothes are flammable.
To be fair,
Where is he?
I kind of think that about Clyde's jacket as well.
That back. You give Joe a message from me, I'll punch his beard off.
Oh.
Boom! That's what you'll have, Joe, right in your beard.
Okay, so we are back at the M&S store. I'm whispering because Fred is helping out a customer.
Oh, a customer.
I know what you want.
Fred!
Hey, sorry, I'm just helping.
Sorry. You take your time. You take your time.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry to interrupt you.
I'm just giving one advice.
Just giving some friendly advice.
I bet you were.
Yeah.
Anyway,
yeah.
right,
Look,
okay.
we've got better things to be doing than giving customers advice. We need to play this game with you today because
Why is this game?
it's French Week.
Of course, it's always French
It's
week.
always French Week with Fred Sirieix.
Au revoir, Fred.
Au revoir.
No,
Good
Fred.
to meet you.
Bonjour. Au revoir means goodbye. Au revoir, Fred, and you high five me.
Yeah,
You
mange
understand?
two, Fred, mange two.
Is he good French?
Yeah, mange tout.
Munch too, Fred.
Okay, Fred, we've got a challenge for you. All right?
Yeah.
You're going to be blindfolded.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
We're going to then hand you a glass of the finest M&S wine.
Okay.
And you need to tell us what type it is. Okay,
All right.
Fred.
You ready?
All right.
Okay.
Round one. Are you ready?
Okay.
So we've got the first one coming into your hand now, Fred.
There we go.
All right.
Oh.
Lovely fruit, strawberries, raspberries.
Do you want to taste it?
Yeah, the hint of the summer there.
Oh, there's a hint of summer.
That's a rosé de Provence.
Oh!
Wow!
Fred Sirieix, keep that blindfold on,
Keep
sir.
that blindfold on. Au revoir. Au revoir, remember?
No, bonjour.
Oh, sorry, bonjour. There you go. Okay.
Get that down, yeah.
You can't mistake this wine for any other wine. This is a classic Sauvignon Blanc. You know, if you want to learn about Sauvignon Blanc, you have that, and this is exactly what it is. This is perfect. Very, very nice.
Yes.
There you go.
You're not going to taste it?
No, I know what it is.
You already said
wanted
it.
me to know what it is.
What is it?
It's a Sauvignon Blanc, but I already said
Oh, what a man!
That's why he's here.
Okay, here it comes, Fred.
You know roughly what it is?
Well, I know it's red,
Yes.
but I mean, it could be from anywhere in the world. You use 3 senses with wine: your sight, your smell, and your taste, your palate. So now it's very difficult. You know, I'm not enjoying the wine fully because I can't look at it.
We can sort this out. Open your eyes then. There
Go
we
on, then.
There, open them. Look,
Right.
there you go, Fred. Now you can enjoy them.
It's quite smooth and velvety. And you know what? I recognize this wine. This is a
Go on.
classic Côte du Rhône from the Classics range.
Wow.
It's actually my wine of the week. And that's a very versatile wine, actually. You know, for example, with a garlic fishy bouillabaisse, you know.
Like we saw on the show this week.
Yes.
Exactly.
Fred Sirieix!
Yay! We love Fred here.
Cheers.
We'll see you next week, Fred. Thank you very much.
We're Woody and Clyde,
That's Joe Wilkinson.
and this is what's in the box.
Stop cheering.
Before we get started, mate, just little birdie tells me you've been talking about us behind our backs, mate.
What do you want to know?
Just what you've been saying, really.
Said you're a pair of tits. I'll stand by it. Shut up.
I think you've got to just turn around a sec. We're going to put something in the box.
No, I'm not going to do that.
Right, we're ready for you, Joe.
Is it in?
Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay,
Here
Joe.
goes. First one. You can put
Both hands.
one outside. There you go.
Oh, no, 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 don't look, don't look, don't look, don't look. You're not supposed to look, Joe. That's not the aim of the game. Joe.
It's a jelly.
All right, well... Yeah! Got it right! Would you believe it?
Yeah, well, there you
Okay,
go.
Joe, what we didn't clarify...
I've seen a flaw in your game.
Okay, Joe. We're ready, mate.
Right, yeah. Right.
No looking, no looking, no looking. Bit higher, bit higher. There you go.
Yeah.
Higher, 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 higher. That's it, you've got it.
Let's have a look. It's a lemon.
No, it's not!
I'm not sure what it is. What is that?
Is that a
A
mango?
mango? It's a mango. It's a mango.
Right,
Why did you peel it?
We're in. This one you've got to go a bit slow with, Joe.
Why have I got to go slow?
Well, you soon find out.
You mind how
Yeah.
you go, Joe. You mind how you go.
Let's have a little feel.
No.
Oh, it's not, no. Chocolate.
Joe, whoa,
Oh, she could.
Joe Wilkinson, everybody!
I'll tell you what, to be fair, I think there was quite a few flaws in our game there.
There wasn't. I think Joe found them all. I'll tell you what, though.
Yeah.
You tell him next time I see him, I'll punch his beard off. Big time, punch his beard off. I'm going to do it now as well. Yeah, yeah. No, what is he that way? Which way is he? Is he this way? All right, I'm off, Woody.
Mate, it's not that way, it's gone that way.
You said that way. I've just stepped in Nutella. I've just stepped in Nutella. Joe got the last laugh.
So I'm just waiting for Joe. He's on his way up.
Yeah?
Joe's on his way up.
If I see Joe one more time, it's going to go off, man. It's on site.
Just tell him you'll take him on it.
Same as like.
You right, Joe?
Oh, yeah.
How's it going,
I knew it was yours.
Yeah, you're right, mate. Yeah, well done. Told him, didn't I?
Yeah, you defo told him. Now, let's see how Joe and everyone got on the show. First up in French Week was the ménage à trois of Josie,
Going so well.
Dr. Ranj,
I'm going to have massive guns by the end of this. Just on one side of my body, though.
and Anton.
I'm doing this, I don't really know what I'm doing.
Before Joe
I'm belching a lot, I'm so sorry. I've got windy pops, I think it's nerves.
and Maura took to La Cuisine.
How much time have we got?
Got 1 minute now, 1 minute.
What am I meant to do?
And it was Anton and Joe sent to the cook-off.
Couldn't make me a caramel mousse. Oh, jeez, I'm so nervous about this.
But it was the creme caramel that did it for Anton.
The winner of the cook-off is Joe.
Well done.
Anton's going to be joining us a little later. First, we'll have a go at the dish that sent him home.
Ooh la la, my kind dogs. It is French week and we're joined by the creme de la creme of chefs. Everyone say a big bonjour to Mr. Chrissy Baber. Yeah! Look at him.
Thank you very much.
There you go.
Bonjour, bonjour.
Bonjour. Now, this week, we're going up against each other with a creme caramel. Thank you.
Time in there.
Good time in.
Excellent.
As we saw in the cook-off with Anton versus Joe.
Okay, Chris, before we get into our competition, mate, you know the scoop. 20 seconds for you to deliver this recipe. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Fantastic. On 3, 2, 1, go!
Right, first your caramel, you need sugar and water, bring it to a boil until it's dark and golden, then pour it into the base of ramekin. Now your custard, heat up some milk in a separate bowl, sugar, eggs and egg yolks. Whisk until smooth, add a little bit of vanilla. Pour that hot milk over the eggs and then skim off any foam. Put that on top of the caramel, bake that in the oven for 20 minutes. Now your sugar basket, heat up sugar and water, pour it over the back of a greased ramekin. When it's set, take that creme caramel out the oven, turn it out, put the sugar cage on top.
Oh my God!
Oh my gosh!
That was good. Unfortunately, it was 22 seconds.
Wow!
You can buy all the ingredients for this in M&S.
Great effort, though, guys.
Great effort.
Yeah, great effort.
Okay, Chris, challenge time for us. What are we doing?
So your challenge today, boys, is to turn out as many creme caramels as you can in 1 minute and get the sugar cages on top. Keep them neat, is all I'm saying.
Neat and tidy.
Neat and tidy.
Okay, right, let's do it then.
Pressure.
3, 2, 1. Let's go.
And we're off. Here we go.
Bonjour. This one is 1.
Here we go.
Come on.
How long?
Boom.
How long's gone?
20 seconds.
No!
Come on. You've got to move quicker, boys. Yes. Looking good. And remember your sugar baskets. All boom, boom, boom. 30 seconds left. Don't forget your sugar baskets. Get these. Come on. Get some lids.
Is he done?
Go. Come on. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
1. Wow. Woody.
Right, time to count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yes.
6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set. That means
What a
7.
guy. Yeah.
7 over here, 6 over there. Woody, you've nailed it.
Well done. He deserved it.
He deserved it. He deserved it.
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Chris, thanks so much for joining us in the Extra Helpings Kitchen again. We'll see you next week.
Nice one, Chrissy Baber!
Yes, I win again, Clyde. But sadly, Anton didn't. So let's have a chat with him now.
I had to have a G&T. I had to do an M&S G&T. Now, I hope you're going to be nice to us.
You'll be very nice.
How nice?
No, nothing. No pranks, no nothing.
How you two? I don't trust you as far as I'm through. I do not trust you.
Right, guys, we're joined with the amazing Anton Dubek and his mentor, Rosemary!
Anton, oh mate, you've done so well.
I'm delighted because Shirley Ballas last year got to this point, and if I'd gone out before Shirley did last year, I'd never have heard the end.
Yes.
So I'm delighted.
Obviously, in the cook-off, you was facing Joe.
Yeah.
What would you say majorly went wrong in that part of it?
We were both going pretty well, and there was the last bit. He managed to get one of those sugar baskets out, and I couldn't get mine off the silver ramekins. That's why you voted for him and not me.
I mean, your caramel, all seriousness, was really bitter. Yet the other caramel was really good.
So you preferred his caramel over my custard?
Yes, I did actually.
Now, on Extra Helpings, we love an exclusive. What are the chances, Rosemary, of you being on Strictly in the next series? Because I'm pretty sure a few tens could get thrown out there, couldn't they?
I could swing. Swing. And then I could do
I'm broken.
I can do dances. I can do an aerial game.
What are we doing this week?
Well,
Aerial
we can do
week.
up there, loads. We can do everything in the air.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you two?
We just have to
letting you
chat.
go. It's Anton de Beck and the Rosemary Show.
I have to be honest with you, I can't believe they're still here.
Oh, the
venison dish. Up in the final, it had this mashed potato, but it wasn't like mashed potato, puree. Oh, hello, boy. It was puree potato. That we whipped through a sieve. It was tremendous. Bit of seasoning.
The other thing was, oh my
Was it going to
God.
be pink?
I'm also so upset about your family dish.
They're furious.
Oh my gosh, that recipe.
My children, they were going to be on telly.
I know they want to be on telly.
It's going to be a new beginning for them.
But that recipe, listen, that recipe we made up.
On the spot.
On the spot. And it was rather like... You said to me, we had all these things, and you told me I couldn't cut the olives that way.
You can't cut the olives that way.
No, I know. Well, I mean, it's just, well, I can't show them now, because you're out.
Sorry, have you finished?
Rosemary.
All right, come back.
Have you got any more to add?
Any more to add?
Right, okay, guys, let's get to the Percy Pig Challenge and let's bring in Percy. Percy. There we go.
Fantastic work there, Percy.
Yeah.
Now, Anton, you've got 20 seconds to build your Percy Pig Biscuit Tower.
The only rules are is you can only use one hand.
Oh, that
yeah.
was a shame.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, go!
Here we go. There we go, Anton. There we go. Yes.
Fantastic. There's
Good.
4. And there's 5.
Good.
Doing well.
You're doing well, Anton. You're doing good. We're doing good. We're doing good. Keep going. Keep going. Uh-oh. 5, 4,
Oh my God.
3, 2, 1, and oh, it was all going so well. Yes. Yes.
Okay, so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4!
It scares me every time.
Let's see where that places Anton on the leaderboard. Oh, interesting.
Wow, Anton, I can confirm you're joint second.
Yes! Now, that is a shock.
They must have been really bad.
Brilliant. Now, guys, on Extra Helpings, you do not go home empty-handed.
We have a Percy Pig set of tea towels.
Oh, yes.
Come on.
Anton's going to have those, okay? I'm going to make sure you have this and go and make some tea or coffee. Yeah, I think you should. Now, guys, if you want to see some more Extra Helpings or some tasty stuff from M&S, click right here.
And don't forget to subscribe to the M&S YouTube channel by clicking down here. Anton de Beck and Rosemary, everybody!